Welcome! Today, I'm going to show you the simple steps to disable comment, like, and pin notifications on Instagram using the latest update. If you find these notifications distracting or just want a cleaner notification feed, this quick guide will help you turn them off in no time. First, open the Instagram app on your phone and head straight to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Once you're there, look for the menu icon. It looks like 3 horizontal lines stacked on top of each other, usually found in the top right corner. Tap this icon to open the menu. Next, tap on the Settings option at the bottom of the menu. This will take you to a list of settings where you can customize your Instagram experience. From here, find and tap on Notifications. This section controls all the alerts you receive from Instagram, so it's the right place to make changes to comment, like, and pin notifications. Inside Notifications, select the option labeled Posts, Stories, and Comments. This is where Instagram groups all notifications related to your posts and interactions. Now scroll down until you see the section called Comment Likes and Pins. Here, you'll find the toggle to turn off notifications for when someone likes or pins your comments. Simply choose Off, and Instagram will stop sending you notifications about comment likes and pins. This way, you can focus on the notifications that matter most to you without the extra noise. And that's it. You've successfully disabled comment, like, and pin notifications on Instagram. This small change can make a big difference in keeping your notification feed more manageable and less cluttered. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check back for more easy tips to get the most out of your favorite apps.